Each year, the business world witnesses both triumphs and turmoil. In 2024, some of the biggest names in the industry stumbled in ways no one could have anticipated. Let's dive into some of the most shocking business failures of the year. Toy maker Mattel accidentally printed a link to a porn website on the packaging of its commemorative Wicked dolls. This mistake not only led to a $5 million lawsuit, but also forced the company to recall the toys, leaving parents and shareholders fuming. Google's AI search function took an embarrassing misstep when it suggested users to put glue on pizza to keep the cheese from sliding off. Based on a satirical Reddit post, the mishap underscored the risks of unchecked AI. The debacle forced Google to scale back its AI responses and rethink its approach. Jaguar's teaser for its new electric vehicle left viewers more confused than intrigued. The ad showed no cars, just flashy slogans like "Live Vivid." Critics slammed the automaker for alienating its core audience, turning what could have been a leap into modernity into a stumble into controversy. Boeing's reputation took another nosedive after a MAX 9 rear door detached mid-flight. With production halted and workers on strike, the company faced investigations from multiple government agencies. Despite appointing a new CEO, Boeing's recovery seems far from smooth. In July, cybersecurity giant CrowdStrike released a buggy software update that crashed over 8.5 million devices worldwide. Industries like healthcare and banking lost billions, while the company faced harsh criticism for inadequate bug testing. From marketing mishaps to technical disasters, these companies remind us that even the biggest brands can falter. For some, recovery may be possible, but for others, these failures will leave a lasting mark on their legacies. Which failure surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business insights.